This fungus infects ants and takes control of their bodies, turning them into zombies. Known as Ophidiocordyceps unilateralis, or O. unilateralis, this strange fungi takes over ants by attaching itself to their bodies and using a combination of enzymes and pressure to drill into their exoskeletons. Once in the ant, they'll begin feeding on its insides and making their way through the ant's body. After eating their way through a certain amount, they'll start taking control of the ant's body, causing it to leave the nest and start ascending a nearby plant stem. Once the ant has climbed around 25 centimeters up the plant stem, it will attach itself to a leaf by its mandibles. Then a long fungal stalk will go through the ant's head and will grow into a bulbous capsule of spores. These spores will then erupt out of the ant's head and rain down onto the other members of its colony, causing the cycle to repeat. The fungus doesn't alter an ant's brain and instead controls the ant directly at their muscles, using bioactive compounds to mess up the ant's nervous system. What's even weirder is that this fungal parasite has its own fungal parasite, with a parasite whose host is also a parasite being known as a hyperparasite. Niveomyces coronatus and Turabiola mycezombiae are just two of the many kinds of hyperparasite that can infect O. unilateralis. Whilst fungi like this can infect insects, they can't infect humans or any other mammal. We just don't have the right biology for it. Our internal body temperatures are far too high for any such fungus to survive, and so a scenario like The Last of Us is unlikely to occur.